In local news, town officials are ready to take action on the untimely degradation of some of our town's main roads. Since the Belleville shopping mall opened last January, there has been significantly more traffic on the streets leading to the mall. City officials have received numerous complaints from citizens about large cracks and potholes in the roads, which can be damaging to cars. The City Council has invited a few concrete engineers to their next meeting, which will be open to the public. The engineers will share their expertise on the options available for upgrading our roads, and the City Council will vote on a budget for the project.
Number 77. What happened last January? Number 78. Why have some citizens complained? Number 79. Who has been invited to attend a city council meeting?
Thank you for coming to this short meeting for all residents of Atrium Apartment Complex. Our power provider, Crudson Energy Company, will be updating the electrical equipment in all units starting next week. This update is to improve the energy efficiency in our buildings. Please be warned that there will be intermittent power failures while work is being done. If you work from home and need alternate space to work during power failures, you're free to use the apartment complex clubhouse. We'll make sure there's power there at all times.
Number 80. What is the purpose of an equipment update? Number 81. What are the listeners warned about? Number 82. What are some listeners encouraged to do?
We'll be rolling out some changes starting next week. When customers call the service number, they'll be prompted to say which department they're trying to reach, and then voice recognition software will direct their call automatically. I'm sure most of you have experiences of your own calling customer service hotlines that utilize this kind of system. Usually it works, but it can be frustrating when it doesn't. Some customers might be upset with you if they were unable to reach the right department quickly. If this happens to you, please summarize the exchange in writing. I'll give the feedback to the programmers so they can make improvements to the program accordingly.
Number 89. What change does the speaker announce? Number 90. Who most likely are the listeners? Number 91. What does the speaker ask the listeners to do?
Welcome to the booth for Pandru Technologies. I hope you're enjoying today's trade show. Let me tell you about the software we released last month. It's designed to make your factory's production cycle more efficient. How? Well, as you know, if a machine in an assembly line malfunctions, it can trigger significant downtime. Pandru's software continuously gathers and processes data from each machine, so issues can be diagnosed faster. Yes, there are other software programs on the market that perform similar tasks, but they're complicated and require hours of training. Consider this about Pandru's. The manual's just 15 pages long.
Number 92. What is the speaker promoting? Number 93. What industry do the listeners most likely work in? Number 94. What does the speaker mean when he says,
The manual's just 15 pages long?